हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक. देखिए, in the second half of 19th century, the most important developments were the unification of Germany and the unification of Italy, right? So today we'll see how Germany was unified, right? So see, the pillars of the modern world are industrial revolution and capitalism, right? For requirements by which a country turns to nation is social equality, economic equality, political equality, and philosophical equality. We can make it acronym as Pepsi, right? So the four phases of German unification was German Diet in 1815, Zollverein in 1820, Second Frankfurt Parliament in 1848, and Gostein Agreement in 1860, which helped in the unification of Germany. So for the first, German Diet in 1850. If you will see the map of Germany, the southwest is the Rhineland, the northwest is the Westphalia, the northeast is Prussia, and the southeast is Bohemia. And the surrounding states are Poland, Austria, Italy, France, Spain, Portugal, Belgium, England, Denmark, and Sweden. When the Germany was formed, when it opened its door for Belgium in 1914, First World War, and in the east, when it opened its door for the Poland in 1939, Second World War, right? Now this region, WPR, Bohemia, and Prussia, it was rich in coal and iron, and secondly, it had common culture, it had common language, and it had common race, that is Nordic race. In spite of being rich in coal and iron, having common culture, language, and race, this region was very weak and it was backward, and the reasons were they were not united and there was absence of non-German leadership from ancient times, that is Holy Roman Empire was leading them, right? So the Holy Roman Empire, it started with the crowning of Charlemagne by Pope Leo III. He crowned the king of Rome, and by Rome I mean it was a union of Germany and Italy, right? See, the second most important ruler was Otto I, 962 to 973, and the last ruler was Francis II, 1792 to 1806, right? So the ruler of the states were called electors, right? Because they elected their political head, okay? And now since the political head was guided by Pope, nobody dared to attack the Pope because he was involved in the system. In the 19th century, that is 14th October 1806, French forces under Napoleon Bonaparte in the Battle of Iana defeated Prussia, right? So when he defeated Prussia, he separated the Germany and Italy. Now Italy was divided into three parts, and the union, that is the three big states, the Napoleon presided over the three Italian states, right? Roman Empire had ended. Now, as far the Germany's part is concerned, right? So Holy Roman Empire divided into Italy and Germany. Italy was divided into three parts, and the president was Napoleon. Germany, in the Vienna Congress, the authority was given to Austria. Okay, since Austria and Prussia were very alike in terms of size, in terms of economy, in terms of military might. But in Vienna Congress, Austria was given authority to rule the German Confederation. Okay. Now in Germany there were 38 states, and it was very difficult for Austria to handle them individually. Okay. So what Austria did for its benefit, it started creating a common forum, and it ended up with the creation of German Diet, that is the parliament. And in the parliament, it gave the right to solve the internal issues of these 38 states if they had 2/3 of the majority. So what proved very beneficial for the Austria in the short term, proved very important for the political unity of the Germany, right? I'll give you an example. If we compare the same thing in the context of India, the Macaulay's declaration of 1835 that the modern education in India be given in English, this started a controversy known as Anglicist Orientalist controversy. Macaulay's The Orientalists were of the view that Indian will use the education given by the Brits and they will overthrow the UK, the British Empire. But Macaulay had his own plan, and he thought that we'll get Babus first, and we'll get Indians who were Indians in blood and color, but in thought they would be English. But this modern education in English held in creating an educated class, which were the torch bearers for the nationalist movement. For example, the Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Aurobindo Ghosh. See, Macaulay did this for his benefit, but it helped Indians in the long run. Similarly, by creating the German Diet, Austria did this creation of German Diet for itself, but it helped Germany in the long run by providing the political unity. Okay, in the next video we'll start with the phase 2, that is Zolvurin, right? See you.